Welcome to Webstar Plus. In this video, I will show you how to turn off AI on Google Chrome completely. Not just AI, but also AI mode and AI tabs. We will do it by adding a value in Windows Registry. Let me show you something. If we open Google Chrome, there we have AI mode buttons in search and in address bar. I showed you a way to disable these. That was, from address bar, go to Chrome //flags. It will open experiments page. Type AI mode here. We'll have 4 options here. AI mode Omnibox entry point, AI entry point disabled on user input, Omnibox allow AI mode matches, and AI mode Omnibox entry point always navigates. These are 4 settings that can be disabled. These are meant to turn off AI on Google Chrome. But when Google Chrome will be updated, these settings might change back to default, or these might not work at some point. So in this video, I will have a different way to do it. We will completely remove AI from Google Chrome. To do that, hit Windows R keys from keyboard, type regedit, and hit OK. Or search Registrator and open it. From here, expand local machine, software, policies, select policies. In the right side, right click and add a key, new key. Name it Google. Enter. And inside it, add another key, new key Chrome. Enter. Here, add a 32-bit D-word value. Name it AI mode settings. Double click it. Change its value to 2. Hit OK. And that's it. Now relaunch Google Chrome. There will be no AI mode buttons in the address bar or in search bar. So AI mode buttons are gone. But if we search, there is still AI overview and AI mode tab. To remove these, I use 2 Google Chrome extensions. Go to Chrome Web Store, search Chrome Web Store, and search there AI hide, remove Google AI overviews, and bye-bye Google AI. Add these to Chrome. I have added these extensions in Chrome. And then from AI hide, select hide. It will hide AI overview. And then for bye-bye Google AI, press 3 dots in front of it, select options, and check this box, hide AI mode tab, and then hit save button. Now try searching. AI mode tab will be gone. So AI mode tab gone, AI overview gone, and if we open new tab, there are no AI mode buttons. So this is how you can completely remove AI from Google Chrome and search results. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.